This is your 10-minute morning workout. No equipment is needed, just your body and a positive attitude. We'll hit cardio, strength, and core with rest breaks in between. Let's get moving and have fun. Alright, jumping jacks. Keep your arms and legs moving out and in. Keep that pace steady. This is a great way to get your heart rate up and start your workout strong. Remember to breathe. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, squats. Shoulder width apart. Lower your hips like you're sitting in a chair. Then press back up through your heels. Keep your chest and back straight. Feel the burn in those legs and glutes. You've got this, fam. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now calf raises. Stand tall and lift up onto the balls of your feet. Then slowly lower down. This will strengthen your calves and improve your balance. Squeeze at the top for maximum effect. Keep going, fam. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get some core work in with some steam engines. Stand tall, hands behind your head, and twist your torso, bringing your opposite knee to your elbow. Engage your core with each twist. Nice and steady. Feel those obliques working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down for push-ups. Keep your body in a straight line, core tight, and lower down with control. Push through your palms to rise back up. If you need to, drop your knees for a modified version. Keep going. Push through. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work, fam. Let's go. Now take a 20-minute rest break. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Get ready for the next round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hit those hamstrings with toe touches, fam. Stand with feet apart, reach down, touch the opposite foot, alternating sides. Keep your back straight and engage your core. You're stretching and strengthening. Stay focused, fam. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now plank ups. Get into a plank position on your forearms, then press up onto your hands one at a time and lower back down. Keep your core tight and hips level. This is a tough one, but you're stronger than you think. Let's give it a go. You can come back to it next time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold the plank position. Stay on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold. Breathe and engage that core. You're doing amazing. Stay strong, fam. Let's keep going. 3, 2, 1. Time for Supermans. Lie face down and lift your arms and legs off the ground. Squeeze your lower back. Hold for a second at the top and lower down slowly. This strengthens your back and glutes. Great for posture if you ask me. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go into pike push-ups. Start in a downward dog position. Lower your head toward the ground, then press back up. This targets your shoulders. Stay in control and keep pushing, fam. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Now lie on your back for bridges. Feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes and lower down slowly. This works your glutes and hamstrings. There's a strong lower body coming your way. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get back to core with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your opposite elbow to knee, alternating sides. Go slow and controlled. Quality over speed here, fam. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch to a side plank on your right. Keep your body in a straight line, resting on your forearm and hold. Keep that core tight. If you need to drop a knee to the floor for support, do what you gotta do. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now to the left side. Hold strong. You're almost at the finish line. Keep that body in line and core engaged. You got this. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to push-ups, but this time wide push-ups. Place your hands wider than shoulder width and lower down. Feel the stretch in your chest as you push back up. Last push. Keep going strong, fam. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish strong with another round of jumping jacks. Pick up the pace if you can. You're almost there. Push through to the end. Let's go. And that's it, fam. 10 minutes, full body, and you crushed it. Take a moment to cool down, stretch, and thank yourself for showing up today. And here's a video with your stretches. Check it out.